Alright, so terminal integrated line height obviously controls the line height in pixels. So let's, controls the line height of the terminal. This number is multiplied by the terminal font size to get the actual line height in pixels. So be aware that if you change from 1 to 2, this is multiplied by the line height, so it's quite a lot. Now 1 is a line height, 1.1 kind of looks a little better, to be honest. 1 and 1.0 is obviously the same, but 1.1 makes it a little bit easier to read. I think this is too cramped like this. 1.2 too far apart. 1.1, 1.0. Maybe not. Kind of nitpicking here now. I'm just gonna leave this one in its default value of 1.